For every sin was laid on him. Hallelujah. Here in the death of Christ I live. Oh, I release it all to you. Acknowledge your work on the cross to set me free from sin and poverty, from the enemy. You made me free. You broke the chains on Calvary. Oh, now I can see that I am free, and I've got victory.